Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to begin. Update to iOS 18 and grant Apple Maps precise locations so routes are accurate. Once done, enable background app refresh so maps can recalculate in the background. This prevents delayed reroutes. Next, add favorites like home and work to reduce typing during search. Now open Maps, tap the search bar and enter a destination or long press the map to drop a pin. Tap Directions, pick a transport mode, and choose a route to start turn-by-turn guidance. Once navigation is running, refine the route by comparing alternatives. Tap Details to view traffic delays, estimated arrival, and any elevation changes for cycling or walking. If you need to avoid tolls or highways, open Route Options and toggle those preferences. This shapes the path to your needs. To add a stop, tap Search Mid-Route or use Siri to say add a stop and speak the place name. Make sure live activities and voice prompts are enabled so you can follow directions hands-free. As you approach your destination, end navigation by tapping Done. You can leave feedback or report incorrect map data to help future users. If guidance is inaccurate or the blue dot drifts, first toggle location services off and on, restart maps, and if needed, reset network settings to clear stale GPS assists. Make sure iCloud syncing is enabled for favorites so your saved places appear on all devices. If problems persist, update iOS or contact Apple support with a screen recording of the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.